Good morning, guys, and welcome to Digital Learning Week 2. I am super excited to be able to come to you from my house in the comfort of my own pajamas. I hope y'all are chilling in your pajamas today as well. So, Digital Learning Week 2 looks very similar to Week 1. It's still in the same document. All you have to do is scroll down to day 6, and that's where you start since today's Monday. Don't forget, Quest students, instead of doing day 6, you have something on Miss Cole's Google Classroom for you to complete. I know I've had several parents message me over the weekend for logins, and I've sent those out if I saw your message. If you need anything, please call me. So, I have work and you have work to do. Now, your work only is supposed to last about 2 hours. And from what I've been seeing, some of you are breezing through it and getting it done within the hour, and then you're jumping on Google Hangouts, Google Meet, and talking to your friends. That is awesome. But I want to challenge you to do something new. Today, I have created myself a checklist or a to-do list, and I'm going to get some things done that I typically wouldn't get done during a regular school day. So, of course, I have my first thing to do is to work 9 to 2 because that's important. Then I'm going to fold some laundry. That's the worst. So if you want to help your parents fold laundry, fold some laundry. I have to do some grad school work, so that's on my list after folding laundry. And probably like most of you, I need to clean my bedroom. So maybe that's something that you can add to your to-do list today is to clean that bedroom. I also am taking 2 bags to Goodwill. I don't know if they're open or not, but I'm going to go ahead and get things ready to take. It's really time to spring clean, guys, and this is a perfect time for you as students to go through toys and decide, hey, what do I need, what do I not need, or clothes that may not fit you anymore. If you have little siblings, pass it on to them. If not, throw it in a bag and take it to Goodwill. There's always someone who can use it. And then my last thing to do today is something that I don't typically get to do, but I'm going to try to bake cinnamon rolls. Most of you know Mr. Daniel, who comes into the classes. He asked me if I had a good cinnamon roll recipe, and I was like, you know what? I don't. So today I'm going, after I finish the rest of my to-do list, I'm going to try to bake cinnamon rolls. Maybe you have something you want to bake in your kitchen and help mom and dad cook. So the goal for today is you need to do one thing off your to-do list. I need you to create a to-do list, complete one thing, and send me a picture that you've completed it, okay? So you're creating a to-do list, you're checking one thing off. This is not schoolwork. You can put schoolwork at the top like I did, but this is not schoolwork. This is something else to do around the house, okay? So like on my list, clean bedroom, that's something that you may want to put on your list. Baking in the kitchen with mom and dad, that would be fun. Put that on your list. I want you to create a to-do list. I want you to complete something on your to-do list, and I want you to take a picture and send it to me, okay? Take a picture and send it to me, and then we're going to have a special prize for those of you who do. So let me know. Take your picture, and I cannot wait to see from all of you what you've completed off your to-do list today. Remember, guys, I love you, and I'm so proud of you. I know we don't have Mr. Granger telling us that every day right now, but I know he feels the same way. So, guys, I love you. Be safe, be careful, stay indoors, and stay in your pajamas. Bye, guys.